Using social media for your cleaning business doesn't need to be difficult, but it is necessary. In a competitive market, your cleaning business needs to stand out. Social media allows you to do that. You can develop your cleaning business into a trusted brand and become an expert in your market. You can build a following and turn your audience into leads. In short, you can use social media to grow your cleaning business. I'm Matt Harris, and I built and sold a six-figure commercial cleaning business that I started as a side hustle while working full-time as a property lawyer. Now I'm building the Growth Lab, a sales and business development consultancy that helps commercial cleaning businesses generate an additional 5 to 10 face-to-face and phone appointments every month with outbound prospecting. This video breaks down 3 very simple social media tips that you can implement today and help grow your cleaning business. Focus on benefits, not features. Don't create content that focuses on the features of your cleaning service. That's a common mistake I see cleaning businesses make. They focus on the type of service they provide. Carpet cleaning, commercial cleaning, waste removal, how the business started, their service area, the list goes on. This type of content isn't engaging. Even though it's important information, list it on your website. Focus instead on the benefits of your cleaning service. Do you save your clients time or money? Is it easy to book your service? Is your service consistent and reliable? Do you have an exceptional quality control procedure? To move from features to benefits-based content, ask yourself, how can I help people with my cleaning service? Instead of, how can I sell people my cleaning service? This small shift will make your content more engaging. You're still promoting your business, but you're doing it focusing on your clients. What don't your clients know? Start talking about what your clients don't know, but should know. As a cleaning business owner, you've gained valuable experience that is helpful to clients. Why not create content around your knowledge and experience? You're likely to know things that your clients don't, which would be helpful to them. Content like 5 tips for finding the right office cleaning company, or the best product for removing stains from carpets. Posting value-first content is the best approach to take with social media. Content that educates your clients will increase its value and engagement. JCD Cleaning have taken this approach. I spoke with their managing director, Chris Guilfoyle, on the Growth Lab podcast, and creating value-first content is one of their 3 main marketing funnels. Customer reviews create great content. Getting reviews for your cleaning business should be a priority. Social proof can be an effective form of content to promote your cleaning business. What others say about your cleaning business is more important than what you say about your cleaning business. That's why written reviews and video testimonials are a powerful form of marketing. People are more likely to believe in the words of happy customers compared to yours as a business owner. You can scatter reviews throughout your content calendar to enhance the sales process. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. You can use Canva to create a basic template and then start posting your reviews on social media. Remember, the 3 simple tips for using social media to grow your cleaning business are: focus on benefits, not features, tell your clients what they don't know, and use customer reviews to create great content. Using social media is just one of the many funnels that you can use to grow your cleaning business. To learn the 3 most important marketing funnels for growing a 7-figure cleaning business, check out this video right here that I recorded with Chris Guilfoyle. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next video.